Hello friends, this is Harris and you are watching Mr. Epic channel. Guys, in today's era everyone wants to look fit and many people go to gym for workout and doing the dieting. In this video I am sharing some top inspirational fat to fit transformational journeys of different people so you can imagine how much they struggled. In my next videos, I will share the methods to lose the weight and also tell how to get fit from fat by easy workout and balanced diet. So no fear, Haris is here. So please see the full inspirational video. But before moving, I request to all to like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. So be motivated and let's go towards the journey of fat to fit transformation and enjoy.